when putting your race numbers on, it's a good idea to actually get it lined up, cut one half side of this backing bit, see there's the other side there, cut that off, right, and get one side done first so it doesn't get too complicated. You're going to need a knife, and you're also going to need a heat gun so that you can actually mould the sticker around the number plate. So what we do is, we've already done one side, now we pull off the other side, and just come off like that. Right, hold it out off the actual plate, and then with your thumb slowly work your way across, slowly working it across until it starts to fold like that. Right, as you can see, it's not going to go down, it's going to actually create a big bubble here. So what we need to do is get some heat onto it until it goes all floppy. And what that's going to do is that's going to make it easier to mould, because it's now quite supple. Just like that. Get it quite hot. Keep moulding, keep stretching it. Go on, just like that, until you get a product looking like that. So there you go, folks. That's how you get your numbers on for race day.